Okay, hello. We're gonna look at the practice test. I'm gonna try to get the microphone a little closer here. And let's see. I'm gonna start looking at question number 9. Guys, look at, just put this in Desmos. See where it crosses the X, or find the vertex. Just click on the vertex once it's in Desmos. Do that for these, all right? This one, just multiply it out. Use the FOIL. Anyway, number 9 is right here. Number 9, it's a square. All right, this is a perfect square. All right, so we're talking about a square. Okay, so the sides are the same. So what is this? The width times the height must equal this. And these are both the same. So somehow this has to equal something squared. All right, length times width squared gives you the area. Well, this is a perfect square, all right? You take the square root of the x squared is x. The square root of 25 is 5. You look at the first sign is plus. And again, and just double check. Is 5 times 5 25? Yep. Is 5 plus 5 10? Yep. So x plus 5 is this side, and x plus 5 is this side. All right. Two sides, you multiply them together, you get that for the area. All right, number 10. All right, again, you got a rectangular picture 3 times as high as it is wide. Here's the picture. We'll call this x. So this is 3 times 3x. And they're saying the frame around it is 7. So everything around here is 7. All right? So the area is length times width. Or again, you might say width times height. It's 2 dimensions multiplied together, all right? 2 perpendicular dimensions. That's how you get area. All right? Well, what's the width here? X plus, well, there's 7 right here. There's 7 right there. And then there's 7 more right there. So it's plus 7 plus 7. All right? What's the height? Well, it's 3x. 3x is this part right here. And then there's 7 right here. And 7 more right there. So plus 7 plus 7. All right? So this times this. And 7 plus 7 is 14. That's the area. Width times height. That's the area. Take this times this. All right, you can find it there. By the way, as long as we're on it, let's look at 11. All right, 11 is very similar. They're saying that the width is 13. So this is 13. And the height is twice as high. So this is 26. And the frame around the outside is 6. All right, so what's the width? 13 plus 6 plus 6. What's the height? 26 plus 6 plus 6. So just add those 3 up, take that number, times that number, add those 3 up, you get 2 numbers, multiply them together. All right, width times height, that's the area. All right, let's go on to number 13. All right. 13, we're going to put it in Desmos. It wants to know how long does it take to get to the top. All right. All right, it always starts like that, guys, because it's projectile motion. All right, and we're talking about feet, so we're looking at 16. All right, initial velocity is 24, so this is plus 24t, because that's the initial velocity, plus the initial height. Initial height is 16. Right. We're going to put this in Desmos. I'm going to do it here in a minute. We're going to come back to 13. And keep in mind, this right here is the same. It's the same problem here with this one. All right, but this one is asking how long it takes before it hits the ground. We'll do both of those in Desmos. All right, I'll move there in just a minute. But before we do, let's go to number 19. 19 is right here. Guys, 19 is linear because 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus negative 1 is 3. They're 3 apart. All right? When the first difference is constant, it's linear. Okay? Let's go to Desmos. Okay, hello, we're back. Let's go to Desmos here real quick. All right, guys, I'm going to put in what we had there. We had y equals, it was negative 16. And again, I'm using x squared. All right, x. And you got to come down here to this keyboard to get that squared in there like that. Okay? And then I think we said it was plus 24x plus 16. Let me double check. Plus 24 plus 16, that's it, okay? And guys, the first problem asked, how long does it take to get to the top? Well, right there's the top. Click on that. There, how long did it take? Guys, the x is the time, and the y is how high it went. It went up 25 feet, all right? But it took 0.75 seconds to get to the top, right? The maximum height. All right, let's come down to the bottom, because now it's coming down, down, down. It's going to hit the ground right there. That's where it hits the ground. Again, the 0 means it's on the ground. The 2 means 2 seconds since we first launched it. Again, we launched it up here, starting at 16. Right there is where it first launched. So tick, 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 up, down, 2 seconds, okay? That's it. I hope that helped you.